Hello guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to Bybit Review. So if you're considering Bybit for crypto trading, you might be wondering, is it reliable, safe, and beginner friendly? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know, from features and fees to security and user experience. Plus, if you decide to sign up, check out the links in the description for special offers. Let's get started. So firstly, my friends, what is this platform? So Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange known for its advanced trading tools and derivatives trading options. Founded in 2018, Bybit has grown rapidly, attracting both experienced traders and newcomers. So it offers spot trading, futures, and even copy trading features for those who want to follow expert strategies. Okay, now let us talk about the key features. So Bybit stands out with its several key features. For example, Bybit provides features like leverage trading up to 100x, advanced charting tools through TradingView, and various order types for precise trading strategies. Then we have copy trading. If you're new to crypto, Bybit's copy trading feature allows you to mimic the trades of experienced traders. Then we have earn programs. Bybit offers staking, savings, and liquidity mining options, ideal for users looking to earn passive income. Then we have Launchpad. Bybit frequently hosts new token launches, giving users early access to emerging crypto projects. Alright guys, now very important, fees and costs. Bybit's fee structure is competitive. For spot trading, the standard fee is 0.1% for both makers and traders. For both makers and takers. For derivatives, the maker fee is 0.01% and taker fee is 0.06%. There are no deposit fees, but withdrawal fees vary depending on the coin. These rates are in line with other major exchanges, making Bybit a cost-effective choice. Okay guys, next up is security and safety. So security is crucial in crypto trading and Bybit offers strong protections. It employs cold wallet storage for most user funds, meaning they're kept offline to reduce hacking risks. Two-factor authentication is mandatory for withdrawals and account security. While Bybit isn't regulated in certain regions, it has maintained a solid reputation for security with no major breaches reported. Okay, now let us talk about the user experience. So Bybit's platform is designed for both desktop and mobile users. The interface is intuitive with detailed charting tools that cater to advanced traders but remain simple enough for beginners. The mobile app is especially well rated for its smooth performance and real-time market updates. Okay guys, now let us talk about the pros and cons. So guys, in pros we have competitive fees, strong security features, user-friendly interface, copy trading for beginners, advanced tools for experienced traders. Okay, in the cons we have not available in some regions including the United States, no direct fiat withdrawals, you'll need to convert to crypto first. Some features may overwhelm beginners. So my friends, is Bybit worth it? Well, if you're an experienced trader seeking advanced tools or a beginner looking for copying successful strategies, Bybit is a solid choice. But also be aware of regional restrictions, which, well, yeah, is a bummer, and ensure you follow security best practices. If you're thinking about signing up, guys, once again, check out the affiliate links in the description for exclusive bonuses and offers. My friends, thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, leave this video a thumbs up, leave a comment about what you think about this platform. Of course, subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.